Evening. Today we're doing the Horseman challenge. If you've ever seen Man versus Food, you'll know what I'm talking about. It's a burger, 4 chilies. We've got 3 purple ghost nagers, 1 habanero. What he uses on the program is I can't remember what he uses, but I've got a Scotch brain here, and then some jalapenos. He uses fresh, but I couldn't find fresh anywhere, so I'm using sliced already. My burger's nearly ready. You'll have to excuse the red complexion. Sat in front of the red hot pan, and I've been on a long walk this afternoon. Worked up an appetite. I'm absolutely bricking it because this is going to be hot. Oh, and we've got some hot sauce going in it as well. I'm going to chop these chilies up now, get them in the pan, and start the process. Get the stalks off. All of these chilies, barring the jalapenos, are off TJ Burns. I get all my chilies from him. Probably about 95% of my chilies are all off TJ, and they're awesome. Right, there we go. Just roughly chopped. Doesn't have to be perfectly. Oh, and on the Man vs Food they were using gloves, but again, I forgot. Lost a bit there. Let's get him back. I was going to use pre-chopped, but then there'll be people out there saying, "No, you haven't used proper chilies, you did, blah blah, we haven't seen you chopping." So here we go, we're chopping them. I'm going to cook these a little bit in the pan just to soften them up, get the sauce on them, get some cheese on them. Bit of lettuce in my bun already. I've got a few sliced tomatoes. Stick that on. That's a lot of chilies. Right, smudge that guy up. Get that in there as well. I'm probably going to start coughing my head off in a minute because the spice coming off there. First time I've sitting down before. Ooh. Let them go a little bit longer. Feel that coming off already. Turning into more of a tomato now. Hope we're all coping well with lockdown anyhow. My kids are prime examples of perfectly well behaved children. They don't fight, they don't scream, they don't shout, they tidy up after themselves, they learn, they are little delights. Of course I'm talking out the backside there, exactly opposite to all what I've just said there. Right, get this sauce on. Oh my god, I'm shaking a little bit now. This is going to be hot. Oh, this, by the way, it's meant to be habanero sauce, but I couldn't find anywhere any in Tesco. It's Econa's Carolina Reaper chili, our hottest chili sauce. Try at your own risk. I have tried it. I've had a bottle before. It's not that hot. It's not as hot as they make out. The ingredients: water, tomato paste, sugar, spirit vinegar, Carolina Reaper paste 5%, red chili puree, salt, Carolina Reaper chili powder 8%, orange juice, concentrate, salt, modified maize starch, bird's eye chili, cumin, garlic, preservative, potassium sorbate. Quite a lot in there. Oh god, let's get this on. I'm gonna get my burger out now. Bring that into the view. Oh, you have 25 minutes to actually eat the burger, and you have to endure a 5-minute afterburn. That's with no water or anything like that, or milk. There won't be. I think that's going to do, you know. Where's my cheese? Don't get the cheese. I've gone for grated mozzarella because I'm lazy. cheese on burger or cheese on chilies? A little bit of both, I think. And I haven't got a timer again. I have to go off my phone. Hell, 5 minutes in already. My strategy is eat quick and then endure the burn. Maybe you can see that there. Oh, we're going to get juice everywhere, looks like it. I'll pick them up. Oh. Turn that off. Handy in front of the steering drill. Gosh, it's going everywhere. Now, apparently the salad is optional, but I like a bit of salad in a burger. Oh, God. I have to remember, do not touch the face. Do not touch the face. Oh God. Oh God. Cheese. I think I'm going to put a bit more sauce on there now. Bit of cheese, that is hot already. There's the sauce. Oh God. It's a fair old stack right there, isn't it? Get rid of that knife. And tomato is... I looked for beef tomato, couldn't find any. Anyway, the 4 Horseman challenge. That is hot. 4 Horseman challenge. Like I said, 25 minutes to eat the burger. Should manage that. And endure a 5-minute afterburn with no... Jeez, look how purple I'm on it. Right. God. Oops. Come on guys, get your gel back in there. I will mop up after, don't worry about that. Right, what we're up to, 7 minutes 20, 7 minutes, 7 minutes 30 seconds, right, here we go. Oh. Oh, the hiccups are going to come in. That is so hot. That's only the first bite. Oh. I've got hiccups. Oh. Eating my hiccups is so hard. Oh God. This is a lot smaller than the one I had on my versus food. I couldn't find any bigger buns. And I definitely wasn't doing 2. Gosh. Oh, my lips are numb already. Ooh. Look how sweaty I am. Don't forget, that's really hot. Oh. That's so fucking hot. My ears are fuzzy. The burger's a little bit dry. My fault. Oh my god. Can't feel my face. I should have waited for the burger to cool down a bit. That was made a mistake. A little bit of everything in there. Serrano, that's what pepper is going to be. Serrano. Now we've got 5 minutes, what's that? At 11:50. Ooh. Ah, shaking. Oh god. I said to so I don't get rid of that plate. I said to TJ Birds about doing this challenge. He jumped straight on it. He loves man versus food, and I know he'll absolutely smash it later as well. Oh god! But he's actually got serrano peppers. Oh, let's heat it up. Oh my god! That's a minute. I've got a timer on my phone. Oh, I forgot to put one in. Well, won't I? My face is so itchy. That's up there with them noodles, Gully's noodles for burn. I'm surprised about the hiccups actually. I thought I'd have more. I thought I'd be really struggling with the hiccups, but oh, we're all good. Jesus, that's getting out. That's just going into the stomach now and all. I might do a stomach cramp update tonight if I have them. I'll show you how fun it is to roll around on the floor in agony in the middle of the night. I'm not joking. Oh god. I think we're at the top now. It's just easing off a touch. Those ghost peppers were, once over, the hottest pepper in the world. I think they're about 1.1 million on the Scoville heat unit. 1 to 1.2, something like that. Excuse me. God, the burps. The habanero, they're a good 350,000. The Scotch Brain, they're a cross between a Scotch bonnet and a brain strain, and they're a lot hotter than the Serrano that was meant to use. So bonus points there. And jalapenos, not fresh unfortunately, but it's all we could find. And the sauce, hottest sauce yet, if that's the hottest. Explore the ultimate heat and flavour combination of the Corner Carolina Reaper chili sauce. This scorching blend of the world's hottest chili, pepper, tomatoes and spices will challenge even the bravest of chili lovers. No, it won't. No, it won't. Oh God. I feel like my stomach already. Oh. Oh dear, we're coming up to 4 minutes now. I think I did pretty well there. I know it was a smaller burger compared to the actual one on the Man vs Food, but still filled a hole, burnt the hole, I know, but I will do it morning. I think I'm going to have a beer. When it's time, not now of course. So tomorrow I was thinking about doing another video, depending on how I feel after this, involving the BTR Scorpion. Last time I ate one of them, I'm not joking you, I was in trouble. That was hard work. That was a long night as well. It was a work night. The BTR Scorpion, the Butch Taylor Reaper Scorpion. Those in the chili world will know who Butch Taylor is. You know what a Reaper is. You know what a Scorpion is. It's a hot pepper. See how it goes. And that is a 5-minute afterburn. Done. The fingers are tingling. That's one. Done. Whew. Well, thank you very much for watching. If you like the videos, you know what to do. See you on the next one. Good night.